Guys, we made it to the Valley Falls State Park in Fairmont, West Virginia. Lori, what do you see?
I see the Valley Falls. It's beautiful.
Falls, yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful down here.
We need to walk down that way so we can
There's
see.
a path, the trail. What was it? The mill.
Yeah,
Part of
there's
the
this
old mill down there.
site where it used to be. Still, it's commemorated over here.
Look at that. Part of the old mill down here. We're at the falls. You can walk out on. Lots of views, place to sit. Little park setting down here. There's most of it is has a blacktop walkway, so really easy from the parking lot to get down here to this area. Definitely worth coming and checking out. Valley Mill State Park, Fairmont, West Virginia. Absolutely gorgeous, wild and wonderful West Virginia. Country roads, let's go, baby.
1852. And
We're out here at Valley Falls State Park in Fairmont, West Virginia. Lori, what information do we have?
It looks like
1827.
it used to be a grist mill. In 1827, Fetterman purchased the land surrounding Valley Falls and built a ship sawmill and contracted with William Hanley, an English stonecutter, to cut a mill race for water power using black powder explosives for the first time in this area. It was used until 1905.
Guys, Valley Falls State Park, Fairmont, West Virginia. Beautiful, beautiful location out here. Very easy to get to. Pathway is very accessible. Blacktop walkway. Lori gave us some commentary earlier on the mill. Absolutely stunning. Just park-like setting. Couple-minute walk. You can be down here to these falls. And we took a short hike down the trail to get a picture of the falls on the lower side. It is really, really beautiful down here. Valley Falls State Park in Fairmont, West Virginia. If you have the opportunity to come down. Lori and I are exploring all of the Almost Heaven swings in West Virginia, visiting the state parks. This one is one of them. So if you guys get a chance, come down, check it out. Park your car in the parking lot, couple-minute hike down the trail.
Bring a picnic basket.
Bring a picnic basket, come down, fishing pole, you're allowed to fish. Beautiful, beautiful spot, location, easy to get to. Gazebo, park benches, part of the original grist mill that's still available.